Hello, my name is Mohammed, and I studied at Metropolitan University in London. So this tutorial I'm writing to anybody, and especially for fellow students if they want to have some extra curriculum on the programming lesson. Right now I'll be introducing you how to declare a variable and assignments and so on. So we'll just follow the questions. Hopefully I'll be able to explain to you as I write something. So as usual, here you got your class name and you got this your curly braces. So let's try to write our main method. Public static void main. So hopefully you know already how to write these things. So let me tell you something about variables. So in Java, usually whatever you type, whatever you got up there in your Java, those are values, and every value in Java must have a type. And there are variety types of types, I guess. How to say it, I don't know. So there are a variety of types. So some of them are for the characters, like a B. Character is just a single unit of letter. I think you know that. And a sequence of character is a string, so like a hello world. So we've got string, and there's an integer to store the integer. There's double to store the double precision numbers, and there is Boolean, but I'm going to be introducing you to Boolean later. Right now I will just show you how to declare a variable. So a variable is usually kind of a place for storing your values, and you can refer to your values to whatever you write, whatever you assign to your variables anywhere in your class later on. Well, almost pretty much anywhere in your class, but we'll see them later, in which cases you cannot and you can. So the main reason variables have there is to refer to the contents of that variable just by supplying its name. For example, let's declare a variable. In order to declare a variable, we write string, for example, because we want we're just saying to the computer, telling to the computer that we'll be placing a string of data type string into the temporary location, name it temp, or we could give it any name, you know, so you don't have to be temp, but temp, and we assign something into that variable. Hello world. So right now our temp, the variable name temp, will be storing a string of hello world. And let's say we're going to declare another variable called integer num1 equals to 10, and another integer num2 equals to 20, and another integer total equals to num plus 2, or plus 2. So here your equal sign is not a mathematical equal sign. It's saying here it works as an assignment operator. It's saying whatever you got here on the right side and make it equal or assign to this one, to temp. So right now both sides are equal. You can refer to this one, and you could refer to this one, Well, it's not gonna work other way around. So you can refer to whatever you got on your right side by referring to your left side. So I don't know how else to explain. So here we got another variable, num1 will be storing a value of 10, num2 will be storing a value of 20, and we got here a variable total will be storing num1 plus num2, which is 10 plus 20, and let's try to see what's gonna happen. System out print line print line total, and let me print out our previous example as well. Just a moment. So here we're referring to system out print line again to print out something, but right now in order to supply parameters, we're supplying the variable names to refer to this one and to refer to this one. So let's see what's gonna happen. So it's saying hello world, printing out this string in our temporary location through the parameter, and printing out, where's the console? Printing out 30 as addition, adding num1 and num2. So hopefully I hope you learned something here right now. Thank you very much. Bye.